Hey guys, how's it going? This is Everything Crypto here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase SafeMoon. There's going to be a few steps you guys are going to have to follow. You guys are going to want to go ahead and download the Trust Wallet app. Once you guys downloaded that, you guys are going to want to go ahead and open your guys' web browser. After that, you guys are going to want to go ahead and go on this website called CoinGecko. Once you guys are on this website, you guys are going to go ahead and click on the search bar, and you guys are going to want to go ahead and type in SafeMoon. It's going to be this top one up here. Go ahead and click on that. And you're just going to go ahead and scroll down. And on this website, it basically tells you guys information of how the coin has been doing, how it's been doing in the past 30 days, the past 2 weeks, week, and the past hour. So go ahead and scroll back up where it says show info. Go ahead and click on that button. And right where it says contact, you guys are going to want to go ahead and click on those two little boxes next to the wolf. Go ahead and click it. And it's going to go ahead and click copy this address to your guys' phone. Next, you guys are going to want to go on this other website. This website's called Pancakehop. It's basically a website where you guys are going to go ahead and connect your guys' wallet, and it's going to convert one of your guys' coins into this SafeMoon. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and click on this top corner where it says connect wallet. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to give you three options. It's going to say wallet connect, trust wallet, and MetaMask. We're going to go ahead and click on wallet connect, and then go ahead and click on the little trust icon. It's going to direct me over back to my trust wallet app, which I've already downloaded. You guys are going to want to go ahead and click on connect. And now we go back to our web browser. Once that's done, if you guys look on the top right corner, it's going to show a little wallet with a little downward arrow. So that indicates that it has been connected. On the bottom, you're going to see four little icons where it says trade, earn, win, and NFT. We're going to go ahead and click on the little trade icon. After that, as you guys can see where it says BNB, I have a balance of 0.006, which as of now it's about $3, 3 USD dollars. That just shows that my wallet has been connected. Where it says select a currency, you guys are going to want to go ahead and click on that. And since we copied the address, the SafeMoon address, you guys are going to want to go ahead and paste it in there. Just click on it and go ahead and click on paste. And if you guys go down, it's going to go ahead and appear SafeMoon. I have already added this to my wallet already, so this is active. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. Just click back and then go ahead and type in SafeMoon. Go ahead and click on SafeMoon. Click understand. It just tells you how you guys want to set your guys' slippage tolerance to 12, which I will show you guys in a bit. Go ahead and click on continue. Right before you guys actually do anything else, you guys want to click on this little hex right here. Right where it says slippage tolerance, you guys are going to want to make sure this is set at 12. I have already manually set it at 12, so just making sure that it's at 12. Go ahead and exit that. And since I don't have enough BNB, I have to type mine in manually. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and type in 0.006, which is roughly about 805,000 SafeMoon, which is pretty cheap for $3. I can go ahead and buy 800,000 SafeMoon. So after that's done, just to double check, go ahead and make sure you guys' slippage tolerance is at 12. Once that's done, go ahead and click on the swap button. Go ahead and click on confirm swap. Okay, I guess this doesn't. I don't have enough gas. Let's see. Let's try this. Sometimes that error might appear. That just means that you guys are gonna want to go ahead and raise this up. Sometimes it does that. Sometimes it does. It just varies on the gas fees. I'm gonna go ahead and raise it to 14%. I'm gonna go ahead and click accept and confirm swap, and there you go. It transferred me over to the app. But since I don't have enough BNB, it's asking me to top it up, meaning I have to go ahead and purchase more BNB and transfer to this wallet. And if you guys don't know how to do that, I'll add that in another video, how to purchase BNB on your guys' trust wallet. So let's say if I had enough BNB to purchase this right now, it would say go ahead and confirm purchase. I would click right here where it says top up, but since I don't have it says to top it up, I can't click it. So once that's done, it would appear on here. Actually, it would not appear in your guys' wallet yet. So like I said, I purchased it already. So if you guys look at here, it says I have SafeMoon. But for someone who has never purchased it, let's say you guys are purchasing it for the first time, you guys are going to want to go ahead and click on this two little dots on the top right corner. Click on that and type in SafeMoon. As you guys can see, it's toggled on. But let's say if you guys purchased it, it would not be on. And if you guys go back on your guys' page, it would appear like this. You guys would not be able to see it. So in order for you guys to see your guys' current balance, you guys would have to go on here where it says manage. Type in SafeMoon again. And go ahead and toggle it on. Once you guys toggle it on, it should appear in your guys' wallet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you guys purchase SafeMoon. I think SafeMoon has a lot of potential in the future. They have a really good plan. If you guys want to go ahead and click on this top on SafeMoon, you guys can see the statistics. It tells you, it gives you the website right here. So let's say I'm gonna click on their website. It's just authenticating, and you can actually buy it on their app too. But I like to use it through the Trust Wallet app. It just says their plan on the coin, how over time they're going to continue to burn coins, and you guys can go ahead and look at the market cap. Right now they have about, it's a 2.5 billion of a market cap right now. And yeah, so like I said, this is how you purchase SafeMoon, and I hope this video was very helpful. And I just created this YouTube channel, and I'm learning how to purchase currency, and I'm actually learning how it works, and I plan on buying over time. And as I learn, I hope to teach you guys. And if you guys have any questions or comments, if you guys want to learn about new things about crypto, you guys can go ahead and leave them down below. Which cryptocurrency you guys want me to go ahead and show how to purchase next or anything. So yeah, so this is that's pretty much it. This is everything crypto here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.